Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI. My son is a huge fan of RC cars, and he was absolutely thrilled to play with this hand-controlled RC stunt car. This awesome remote control car can drift, spin, move laterally, side spin, and go off-roading. We have had so much fun, hours of activity and laughter with this car. I gotta admit that I had a lot of fun playing with it also. The company offers many different designs and colors, and you're sure to find the one that matches your personality. My son got the red and black spider design, and the colors are bright and vibrant. And just listen to all the cool noises it makes. We had fun learning how to control the car with the hand strap, which is personally my favorite, but my son likes the handheld remote control better. He says it's easier to control. We both were surprised at how durable this car was. We've played with it inside and outside and run into obstacles in the house, and this car shows no signs of slowing down. Because of its bright lights and cool sound effects, it was also a lot of fun to play with in the dark. So if you're in the market for a super cool remote control car, then I really think that you're going to love this one as much as we did. And that's my point of view.